There's something truly magical about Mediterranean cave homes carved into cliffs, kissed by sunlight and surrounded by the infinite blues of the sea. These architectural masterpieces seamlessly blend rustic charm with luxury living, offering a retreat like no other. More than just a place to live, Mediterranean cave homes are a representation of ingenuity, culture, and history. These dwellings, which were built to utilize natural resources, originated in the rocky regions of Greece and the Mediterranean coast. Their sleek, whitewashed exteriors mix in perfectly with their natural surroundings while keeping interiors cool, even during the sweltering summers. What makes cave homes stand out is how they embrace their environment. Instead of altering the cliffs, these houses are carved into them, making use of the existing rock formations. This not only preserves the natural beauty, but also creates a sense of harmony with the surroundings. Step inside these homes and you'll find interiors that are both simple and sophisticated. Smooth, white walls curve gracefully, reflecting light and creating a sense of openness. Built-in furniture, handcrafted pottery, and linen textiles give the space a cozy, rustic feel, while large windows frame breathtaking sea views.